Hello viewers. Meet again with me on Mauto channel. This time I will explain about benefits of persimmon fruit for health. The benefits of persimmon fruit are quite a lot. Persimmon fruit itself has a very nutritious nutritional content for the body. The nutrient content of the fruit of this persimmon is the same as the benefits of apples. Persimmon fruit contains high fiber. The fiber content is twice as much as apples. In addition to the sweet taste, persimmon fruit rich in benefits. The body can feel the benefits of consuming persimmon fruit. Here are 15 benefits of persimmon for body health. Number 1. Prevent blood vessels from becoming hard. Number 2. Stabilizes blood pressure. Number 3. Prevent cancer. Number 4. Slows down premature aging. Number 5. Maintain flexibility of blood vessels, so that blood pressure remains normal. Number 6. Maintain the health of lung organs. Number 7. Strengthens the spleen. Number 8. Slimming for those who are overweight. Number 9. Prevent macular disease in the elderly. Number 10. Increasing the production of red blood cells, so that the cells' need for oxygen and nutrients will be met well. Number 11. Maintain cardiovascular health. Number 12. Improves the body's immune system. Number 13. Smooth blood circulation. Number 14. Improve metabolic processes in the body. Number 15. Anti-tumor. The benefits of persimmon fruit for treatment. Number 16. Overcoming hypertension. The body can feel the benefits of persimmon only by consuming the fruit of persimmon directly. Besides, can be absorbed directly. Persimmon fruit can also process into fresh juice. Drink persimmon juice every day, then hypertension disease will gradually improve. Another way of processing persimmon fruit that can use as a drug is by drying. Persimmon fruit that has dried you can make a potion to be in drinking. How to make it is also straightforward. First, prepare 2 pieces of dried persimmon. Second, enter into the pan and water and steam until cooked. Third, puree the steamed persimmon and puree. Fourth, add 1 tablespoon of pure honey and mix and drink. Traditional herb made of smooth persimmon fruit is quite useful to cure phlegm and asthma. Number 17. Treating stomach pain. Well, to relieve stomach pain, you can alleviate it by consuming 1 fresh persimmon. Shock and heat in the stomach will disappear by itself. There are also other traditional medicinal herbs made from dried persimmon, which is a traditional herb to cure diarrhea or dysentery. How to make? First, boil 2 pieces of dried persimmon. Second, stir until it becomes mush. Third, then mix with lime juice and sticky rice. Fourth, consumption of medicinal ingredients of persimmon dry 3 times a day. Benefits of persimmon fruit in culinary field. Although called Java apple, persimmon fruit has a different texture of fruit flesh. The apple flesh is hard texture, not with the texture of a persimmon. The texture of the persimmon flesh is softer and more watery. It's also much different from the taste of apple flesh. The apple's flesh has a sweet sour taste, while the persimmon flesh tastes very sweet. So it remains delicious if the fruit is instantly eaten instantly, aka juice or other processed fruit persimmon. The taste of fresh fruit flesh can also use as topping cakes, like the benefits of cherries. In some regions of Indonesia, Persimmon fruit is called the fruit flirtatious because the skin of a persimmon fruit is white like fruit that given powder. The white color attached to the surface of this persimmon is white powder. Apples like the apple make this persimmon fruit named Java apple. Do not forget to like and subscribe this video, to provide other good information. See you later. Thank you.